Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using Bank of America travel rewards with partners, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Bank of America account. Navigate to the rewards section on the home page. Select the travel rewards program from the available options. Familiarize yourself with the different partners associated with the travel rewards program. Visit the travel rewards partner page for an overview of available options. Identify partners based on your travel needs, such as airlines, hotels, or rental cars. Review any current promotions or bonus offers provided by these partners. Decide on the partner you wish to use for your travel plans. If you choose an airline, go to their website and look for the section on redeeming points. Log into your airline account or create a new one if necessary. Check for any available frequent flyer programs linked to Bank of America. If booking a hotel, visit the hotel chain's website and navigate to their rewards section. Ensure you are logged into your hotel rewards account. Double-check if the hotel accepts Bank of America travel rewards for booking. When looking for rental cars, visit the car rental company's site. Review their rules regarding redeeming travel rewards points. Start your booking process through the partner's site. When prompted, select the option to pay or redeem using rewards points. Confirm the details of your booking and ensure the correct number of points is applied. Complete the transaction and keep a record of your booking confirmation. Review your account to verify that the points have been deducted. If you have any questions or issues during this process, contact Bank of America's customer support. Always stay updated on your rewards points balance and expiration policies. Consider checking back frequently for updated partner offers and promotions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.